Hello everyone and welcome to Iraqi Arabic for everyone. This course is dedicated for absolute beginners, those who wants to focus on real spoken Iraqi dialect, not just textbook. And this course includes Arabic script transliteration and English meaning. My name is Ali and I am Iraqi native speaker. I hold a master's degree in languages and I will help you to improve and master your Iraqi dialect. How to use this course? So you have to follow the slide in order. Each section builds on the last and you have to pause and repeat after me. So we have the first thing first, which is the alphabet, الحروف الأبجدية. الحروف الأبجدية. There are 30 letters, including 2 sounds unique to Iraqi dialect. We will see them later. First letter is Elif. Elif. It's written as Elif, and it's pronounced as A. 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 Repeat after me. Bait. Bait. House. Bait. A. Bait. We have here Ba, so the letter is Ba, and the pronunciation is Be, Be, as in Bab, Be, Be, Bab, Bab, Be. Repeat after me. Bab, Bab, which is door, Bab. We have Ta, Ta, and the pronunciation is T, 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 T. So as in apple, Tifaha, Tifaha. Repeat after me. Tifaha. We have Tha, so it's written as Tha and it's pronounced as Th. Th, th, as in 3 or theater. So th, th, as in ثلاثة, 3, ثلاثة, ثلاثة. Say after me. ثلاثة. We have Jim, so it is Jim. It's pronounced as J, 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 Jamia. J, Jamia, university, Jamia, Jamia. We have Che, so this is one of the unique Iraqi letters, as in chai, famous Iraqi tea. So to pronounce it, you say ch, ch, as in church. So repeat after me. Chai, chai, tea, chai, chai. We have ha, ha. So this letter is pronounced as ha, 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 and you make it in your throat, in the back of your throat. So as in halib, 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 halib. So it's ha, ha, ha. We have kha, and it's pronounced as so you make it from the back of your throat as if you are swallowing something and you want to get it out. So so as in khubuz, khubuz, bread. Repeat after me. Khubuz, khubuz. We have dal, and it's pronounced de, de, de. So we have دجاج, 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 chicken. Repeat after me. دجاج, دجاج, دجاج. We have dal, and it's the, as in ذهب. So it is pronounced as the. So for example, when you say the house, the. So the, ذهب, gold, ذهب. Can you repeat after me? ذهب. We have ra, and it's pronounced as r, 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 r. Okay, I'm rolling my tongue here. So as in rice, rose, rose, rose. Say after me. Rose, rose. So it's completely the same as the R sound in English. Rose. We have zai, and it's pronounced z, 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 same as in English. And we have zait, zait, oil. So repeat after me. Zait. We have sin, equivalent to S in English, and it's pronounced as s, s. So we have simach, simach, fish, simach. And if you come to Iraq, you have to definitely try مسقوف, Iraqi grilled fish. Okay, so repeat after me. Simach, simach. Okay, we have sheen, and sh, sh. It's pronounced as sh, 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 as in shams, shams, sun, shams. Repeat after me. Shams, shams. We have sad, as in se, emphatic, sad, and it's pronounced sa, sa, sa. For example, you say the sun. Okay, so sa, as in morning, which is sabah, 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 sabah. Repeat after me. Sabah, sabah. We have dad, again, it's da, de, 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 emphatic. So as in wife, 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 which is guest. So repeat after me. Wife, wife, wife. Good. We have ta, and it's ta, emphatic. So it's pronounced ta, ta, ta. Talib, 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 student. Can you repeat? Talib, talib. Nice. Okay, we have the. Okay, it's pronounced the. The. So, as in noon, ظهر, 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 the, ظهر. We have عين, 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 I, I. So it's pronounced I, عين, I, as in I, عين, عين. Repeat after me. عين, which is also the name of Ali, Ali. So it starts with Ain, Ali. We have rain, rain, re, re, re. So as in this word, غدا. In Iraqi, you'll hear it come for eating غدا, غدا, غدا. Lunch, غدا, غدا. Repeat after me. غدا, غدا. We have fa, and it's pronounced as f, f, as in English. So we have flus, flus, money, flus. Repeat after me. Flus, flus. We have qaf, and it's pronounced as q, q. So as in qalam, qalam, qalam. Pen, qalam. Repeat after me. qalam. We have another unique Iraqi letter, which is ge. So as in gumar, gumar, which is the moon or moon, gumar. And also galbi, which is my heart, or gamer, Iraqi famous fresh cream that you eat for breakfast. So ge, ge, ge. Gamer, gamar, gumar. So repeat after me. Gumar, ge, ge, gumar. We have kaf, kaf, and it's pronounced k, 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 as in kitab, equivalent to k in English. Kitab, book. Kitab. Repeat after me. Kitab. We have lam. So lam is pronounced l, l, as in laymoon, l, laymoon. Okay, which is lemon. Repeat after me. Laymoon, laymoon, l, laymoon. We have meme, and it's pronounced m, m, me, me, m, m. Okay, so as m in English. So my, water, my, my. Repeat after me. My. So أريد my. I want water. أريد my. My. We have noon, and it's pronounced as in. So we have najma, star, najma. Repeat after me. Najma, najma. We have ha, and it's equivalent to h, so it's slight. So as in hadiya, gift. And in Iraqi culture, when you travel somewhere and return back, you have to bring hadiya, hadiya to your friends, hadiya to your family. So hadiya, hadiya. Repeat after me. Hadiya. We have wow, u, as in W. So warit, warit. So it's pronounced as warit, which is flower. So we have wow, it's pronounced as w, and we can see it as in ورد. Flower. ورد. Repeat after me. ورد. ورد. And the last one is ya. Ya. So it's written as ya, it's pronounced as yeah, yeah, yeah. As in yom, yom, day, yom. Can you repeat after me? Yom. So yom. Thank you for watching and wait for next episode.